Hey, I'm Pete, and I'd like to welcome you to my workshop and this channel. Here you can follow along with the various projects I'm working on. If it happens in my workshop, you'll see it here. Everything from woodworking, machining, small-scale manufacturing, electronics, and 3D printing. Some of these projects end up in amusement parks or museums, so you might see some pretty unusual stuff. And you might just pick up an idea or two. My background is in electronics, programming, and industrial automation, but I've also done quite a bit of machining along the way, and I hope to share these experiences with you. Hopefully you'll find some enjoyable content here. Please post questions or comments, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it. I'll wait. Just right there.